All right, guys, welcome to week 6 of distance learning. We're talking about proportionality at 7.4D. Solve problems involving ratios, rates, and percents, including multi-step problems involving percent increase and percent decrease, and financial literacy problems. I'm currently recording the video that I'm going to attach here in a little bit. Your interactive notebook notes are linked in Google Classroom, and you can also get to them from this Google Slides presentation. You might want to spend a few minutes looking over this as it's been a little while, and jogging your memory is always a good idea. Remember that when we were talking about percent increase and percent decrease, there is a way that you can set up your proportions to solve those. And I want you to go back and look at your notes because it's going to be very helpful to you as we move throughout the week. Okay. Oh, and is it going to let me turn to the next slide? No. Okay, cool. There we go. All right. So this is a sample agenda that you could follow. You need to follow the order that's on the agenda. You don't necessarily need to follow the days of the week that I have everything laid out. Remember that we're doing video chats on Mondays and Wednesdays. On Monday, you could watch my intro video. On Tuesday, you could watch the curriculum video and follow along, have scratch paper. On Wednesday, you could do the percent application practice, which is a Google slide Google Slides that you can edit. And then Thursday, it's a proportion exits ticket. And then Friday, you could work on optional enrichment activities if you would like to. And then remember, everything is due on Friday afternoon at 4. Okay, this is another little cheat sheet that we have added in here for you guys to jog your memory about proportions, so you can refer to your notes and then also come to this. This is just all on a one-page format. All right, so I want you to follow this order from when you're completing activities. Do not go directly to the exit ticket 15 minutes after I post this and then tell me that you need to do the exit ticket again, because I'm going to tell you, I know that in the last 15 minutes you haven't watched the teacher intro video, done the curriculum video, and then practice prior to taking that exit ticket. The exit ticket should be what you do last, okay, because that is going to be your content grade for the week. So I need you guys to wait to do the exit ticket. So the order that I want you to follow: my video, curriculum video, the practice, and then the proportions exit ticket. And then for enrichment, we have an Imagine Math distance learning pathway. And then we also have a Desmos activity, and I will walk you through that and the directions on Google Classroom. Okay, I just talked about the enrichment activities. And then again, on Mondays and Wednesdays, we will always have our video chat at 1 o'clock. Let me go back to the order. So you know how to get to the curriculum video. It's linked here, and I also link it in Google Classroom. For the percent application practice, hang on, my internet is being super slow today, guys. Give me a second. Okay, if I were you, when I got on here, I would go right here and I would change my name so that when you go back and you either share this with me or you leave this in the folder, it'll have your information on it. And then remember, if this is too small for you, go ahead and go to view and then zoom, and then you can adjust to how big or small you can see it on your computer. I know that this is a little bit blurry, but everybody can still make it out. So it starts pretty simple. Write 9% as a fraction with a denominator of 100. Write 32% as a decimal. What number is 52% of 80? So you're going to have to set up your proportion for that one. So it only goes through about 16 problems, and then we have about 5 problems on the actual exit ticket for you guys. Let me get to that for a second. So the exit ticket looks like this. Make a copy, and this will ask you for your name, so you don't have to go in and edit this one at the very top, because it'll ask you for your actual name here. I'm using the same exit ticket as the rest of 7th grade, so y'all make sure that y'all go and you select your class period. Ignore this, okay? And then it has 5 questions for you to answer. All right, so that wraps up this week. Let me know if you have any questions. I will answer emails, do whatever I can, and then I will video chat with you guys on Monday and Wednesday. Have a good week.